Hello, ladies. Today we're going to dive into a question that really changed my life, changed my financial life, and it can change yours too. Where is your money really going? If you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck, always a little behind, having to dip into savings, I promise you, you are not alone. But here's the good news. You can break the cycle starting today. We're going to get into it. I'm Dion of Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation, and I paid off $60,000 in debt. That was consumer debt, which is credit cards, car loan, student loans, even the IRS. Today, we're going to talk about what changed my life, the question that changed my life. Where is my money really going? First of all, let's just be honest. Most women 45 and older, we are juggling a lot. We have kids, some have grandkids, we have aging parents, we have mortgages, we have health care, everyday life expenses. And here's what often happens without us even realizing it. Housing costs. That's easily 30 to 40% of our income. It is gone before we even blink. Groceries and food, that's like 10 to 20% of our income. And depending on how many are in your household, it could be more than that. Debt payments, car loans, student loans, credit cards, personal loans, just slicing off an additional 10 to 20%, possibly more of our income. Utilities, insurance, medical expenses, again, that's at another 10%. What about small everyday spending like getting your coffee, getting your nails done, getting your hair done, fast food, a little Amazon order here, a little $10 here, $5 here, $20 there? It all adds up, and it adds up to hundreds of dollars per month without you even realizing it. And then there's those unexpected expenses like a car repair, something's wrong with my tires, or a washing machine breaks down, or I need a dental repair, or some kind of medical expense, or some kind of family need that is important, is urgent. Those things happen. This is just life. When you add it all up, it's no wonder that we feel so overwhelmed and trapped and just stuck in our situation. I mean, we're not overspending because we're careless. We're overspending because we do not have a clear map or a plan for our money. Here's my wake up call. I remember sitting down one night and asking myself, what exactly do I bring in every month? How much do I actually bring in? And most importantly, where is the money going? Like, why are things so tight? Where's the money going? And I'm telling you, this woke me up. This question woke me up. So here are the quick steps that I followed, and you can do the same too. First, I wrote down exactly what I brought in every month, and that's from my regular job. And I also did some extra shifts as per diem for another hospital. I'm a nurse, and so I worked extra shifts. So there are times where I would work an extra for the month, and I wrote all that down just to see how much I was actually bringing in. Secondly, I wrote everything down that I spend money on. So you have to go in your online banking, take a look at your bank statements, go online and look at everything that you have spent, every bill, every coffee, every Chick-fil-A Spicy Deluxe Supreme, every cash withdrawal. Write it all down. Then thirdly, I categorized all of my expenses. How much was my housing? How much was my food? How much was my transportation? My debt, my entertainment, my giving, and everything else that I spent money on. I wrote all that down. And then four, I added everything up and I compared it to what I actually brought in. Most women are shocked when they do this exercise, and I was too. I thought I had just a few bills, but when I wrote it all down and added everything up, I was overwhelmed. I saw these tiny leaks everywhere that was taking my money. But here's the beautiful part about doing this exercise, what's so important, what it shows you. It gives you clarity. Once you see it, you can change it. You just have to believe that you can change it. So what you do first is you're going to trim the leaks. Cancel subscriptions that you're no longer using. Set a budget for your eating out or the entertainment that you would like to do. Just reduce it. I'm not saying to eliminate it because you still need to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So just set a budget for how much you're going to spend. So put a limit of what you're going to spend for the month so that you can still enjoy time for yourself, with friends, and with family. And then delay major non-essential purchases. Next, you're going to negotiate bills. Do you know that you can often reduce your cell phone, internet, even credit card interest rates if you just call the companies and just ask them? Next, you can also prioritize paying down your debt. So every dollar that you free up by negotiating your plans that you have, like stopping the leaks, negotiating, reducing your different phone plans or internet plans, all these things, all this extra money that comes up, you can now allocate that money towards paying off your debt faster. Create a freedom fund. Even saving $25 per week adds up to $1,200 a year. And what this freedom fund is the next time some kind of emergency comes up, whether the washer breaks down or a repair on the car, or replace a tire, or there's some family urgent need, instead of using a credit card to cover this expense, you can now use your freedom fund and take care of it and still continue with your plans of reducing your debt. I want you to know that you are not powerless, you are not too late, and you are one decision away from improving your financial future. And the first step is clarity. Clarity is knowing exactly where you stand. And to help you get started with this, I created a free tool for you. It is the 7-day financial clarity starter kit. And in 10 minutes or less, you'll be able to get a snapshot of your financial picture. You will know exactly how much you have coming in, what's going out, and how to negotiate lowering these expenses so that you can free up money to pay off your debts. You deserve to live in peace and not paycheck to paycheck stress. Grab it below. It is completely free. It is in the description box below. Please subscribe to the channel Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation for more simple, heartfelt strategies just like this. Comment below and tell me what surprised you the most when you completed this exercise about your financial picture, about where your money is actually going. And then please share this video with another amazing woman like yourself who's in need of this type of encouragement and also knowing where their money is going so that they could improve and transform their financial life. Remember, ladies, clarity is the first step to freedom. Not just financial freedom, but freedom just about in every aspect of our lives. You've got this, and I'm with you on the journey.